In homage to its storied heritage, Indian Motorcycle pays homage to a legendary past with the unveiling of the 2024 Indian Roadmaster Elite. Echoing the spirit of the iconic Camelback model introduced in 1904, this limited edition factory custom captures the essence of a bygone era while embracing modernity. The roots of this commemorative edition trace back to the original Camelback, celebrated for its distinctive red hue, a revolutionary departure in its time. Now, marking 120 years since its debut, Indian Motorcycle crafts a tribute worthy of its legacy. While mechanically akin to its counterparts, the 2024 Roadmaster Elite distinguishes itself through its striking candy red finish, a bespoke blend courtesy of esteemed paint artisans, Gunslinger Custom Paint and custom-painted vehicles. Complemented by accents of dark red and black candy, adorned with championship gold pinstripes, the tritone aesthetic exudes timeless sophistication. Attention to detail extends throughout, with the gloss black dashboard, matching armrests, and backlit switch cubes exuding elegance. Even the stitching of the seat and the tint of the windscreen are meticulously tailored to harmonize with the overall theme. Beyond aesthetics, the Roadmaster Elite boasts premium features, including the immersive powerband audio with bass boost sound system, a symphony of 12 speakers strategically placed for a 50% increase in audio output. Exclusive badging, an individually numbered center console, and a silhouette of the iconic 1904 Indian Camelback further underscore its prestige. Innovative design extends to the wheels, with a distinctive 10-spoke pattern and unique machining, a visual testament to Indian Motorcycle's commitment to craftsmanship. Limited to just 350 units, each meticulously hand-painted, the 2024 Indian Roadmaster Elite is a rare gem poised to captivate enthusiasts worldwide. Set for release this spring, pricing details are yet to be unveiled, but with the standard Roadmaster Elite priced at $32,999, anticipation for this tribute to Indian Motorcycle's rich heritage is palpable.